It's a Norinco NP-29, 1911 and 9mm. I'm going to do a frame detail strip. This one's an extended extended mag release. Just going to take that out. To remove the safety, you want to have your hammer cocked. That'll let it out, and kind of push it up and wiggle it up. You want to cup your hand here because this little plunger spring can pop right out. Just keep wiggling and pushing out, and it'll pop off. Now this one has an ambi safety, both sides, and this one you just rotate it out and out. The ambi safety has this extra pin that it rotates around right here, so you just got to rotate it around and get it out. So you have that. You can see the beaver tail safety is loose, but you can't get it out till you remove the mainspring housing. Oh, this one's really tough, so I'm going to use screwdriver and the smaller punch. And actually I should mention you should decock now because the force in the spring will push this out as soon as the pin is out, so it's just easier to decock the pistol. No, that's still really tightly in there. There it goes. So that's out. You can push the mainspring housing out, or we'll try anyway. Remember, this is it's a plastic piece. It's really tough to get out. Try to wedge it out here. No, still doesn't want to move. But anyway, got it enough that I got the beaver tail grip out. Ah, there it goes. Once you do that, you can remove this leaf spring here and punch this pin out. The hammer will fall out, and the hammer strut. There's another pin you push out, and the sear and disconnector will pop right out. There they are. Last thing to do is remove the trigger and the mag release. So I'll need a different screwdriver. To remove this, you push from this side, you push it in and twist this little screw right there. This can be tricky sometimes. There it goes, pops right out, and then the trigger, release, and that's it. That's the detail strip. And here's the plunger. I will not remove this or this part here. They're staked on, I believe. There's no need. Okay. Hope you enjoyed.